Is it a trailer or is it not a trailer? You guys be the judge. All right, we're on the way up to Aiken, South Carolina to meet one of my private clients and walk a house with him. This guy is gonna buy a bunch of houses this year. I'm super excited to meet him. His name's Jeff. We've been working together for a while, but this is the first time I'm actually gonna go walk a house with him. I don't know a lot about this market, right? I kind of stick to my market around here. And so we're traveling up about 30, 40 minutes outside of our market to go meet Jeff and to see what he's got going on. He's an interesting guy. He's traveled the world, and he is hell-bent determined on being a real estate investor. So we're gonna help him, and that's what we love to do. He's also in the community, so if you don't know about the community, join school.com/fearlessflipping or check out the link in the bio. Tons of just free, amazing information on how to invest in real estate, and it's all for free. So you can join for free and let me train you for free. We've got free voice calls, video calls, tons of cool training events. The free chicken, you guys gotta understand, the free chicken is the best chicken in the world. And what do I mean by free chicken? Free chicken is all this information that you're getting, right? Anytime somebody gives you something for free and it helps you, that's what we call free chicken. And the chicken we're giving out here, son, it has been pressure cooked, baked, deep fried, double with the crispy, extra crispy skin. That's the kind of chicken we're giving out here. The problem with this house that we're going to see with this client is that I think that it's a trailer. All right, so this whole trip is it a trailer or is it not a trailer? That's what we're gonna figure out. We're here to investigate, is it a trailer or is it not a trailer? My money is on it's a trailer, and not just a trailer. I think it's either a double wide or someone has pushed two trailers together and taken out the middle wall. There's one sure way to know if it's a trailer, and that's why we're driving all the way up here today, to help Jeff figure out if this house is a trailer or not. Usually on the pictures, you can see the nice canted ceiling in the living room, or the walls are not sheetrock, they're more like RV style material on the walls. It's got all of those classic tales from the pictures that makes you think it's a trailer, but the houses around it are selling for a ridiculous high price. We got the brick skirt, you know it's a good trailer if it's got a brick skirt around the edge. They've set that joker up. But the one true way that you can figure out if this is a trailer or not is to crawl your butt in the crawl space and look at the construction of the floor joists. So our goal is when we pull down into a neighborhood like this, look, we've assessed the neighborhood from afar, right? Like we've done our due diligence, we've looked on Zillow, we've found the comps, we've done all that kind of stuff. But when you physically get into the area, now is when we start getting into the meat and potatoes, and we're gonna start looking at the other houses in the area. All right, we're out here. Is it a trailer or is it not a trailer? You guys be the judge. This is our first look at it. Looks a little trailery to me, but you never know until you get in that crawl space. Could be a manufactured home. We got that brick skirt. Boys, when you ever see a brick skirt, what does that do to you? Woo, makes me feel good, right? Let's go check it out. Let's go take a peek under that brick skirt. Hi.
Hello.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
All right, the big question though. This is what everybody wants to know. Is it a trailer?
Let's go underneath and look. You have to go underneath.
Did you bring your Tyvek suit? You didn't bring it?
That's on y'all.
Well, let's look around.
Are we?
Right, so the first thing I think is, okay, lots of trailers around us, right? My biggest concern is resale, right? Because we know we can buy it. We got the money to buy it. We've got the money to renovate it. But if there's no financing on the backside is what I worry about. So conventional financing with a trailer. But I feel like if it's a manufactured home with this brick skirt around it, then it could be okay. We have to reach out to a lender, and I just call Jason Redmond or something like that and say, hey, here's some pictures, here's the year of it, or something. If we can figure that out, can it be financed? And he'll say, or no.
And the tags, we gotta find the tags.
Right, like the plate.
There's No
if it's a
plates, then that's
manufactured
another-
home or a trailer, we got to find the
What are
data
the
plate.
tags?
It's like the data plate on an HVAC. It gives the year, make, model
Okay.
of the trailer.
Serial number.
Gotcha.
But this is actually, if this is a trailer, this is a double wide, right? It came on 2 trailers, and then they connected it right here. They slammed it together.
Okay.
You can usually tell when you look at the pictures because of the slope of the roof. This is not a vaulted or cathedral ceiling. This is a trailer.
Okay.
Then I can always tell, look at the seams on all the walls, right? And this is not sheetrock. This is like an RV material,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So like what they build RVs with,
I gotcha.
and campers and things like that. I mean, I love the size of it. Look, everybody needs a place to live. This is what somebody taught me a long time ago. It's like there's more poor folks than rich folks, and they all need a place to live.
Yeah.
And I don't mean poor like that, but I mean like this is a great entry-level place to live. This, if it's new, people like this because if you work at Vogel or SRS, you can park your trailers and your boats here. There's no HOA. Mm-hmm. Holy cow.
Yeah, we didn't know what the heck happened here.
Some type of burning Bible thing or something? Oh. Burn it, then brought it in. Yeah, see like these seams right here?
Yeah.
Then you got the baseboard heat. That's a dead giveaway that
okay.
it's a trailer. But let's just go look in the crawl space right now. All we're looking for, right? There's a dead giveaway. We want it to be stick built with floor joists and sitting on concrete or block piers. What we don't want to see is I-beams. Skids, we call them,
Okay.
like big steel beams where you can pull it up onto a tractor trailer type thing. We definitely want, there it is. All right, is it a trailer? Is it not a trailer? Renee, what do you got?
Say no.
No trailer, what do you got?
I think so far, yes.
You think it's a trailer?
Think so. I'm gonna take my best guess.
I think it's 2 trailers. That's a steel I-beam. So that way you can just pull it right on the back of a trailer and we got trailer on trailer action. Yep. 100% a trailer, 2 trailers. That's what we thought.
I mean, it seems it's interesting. I wasn't expecting like to have to take care of all the stuff they left behind. So that was kind of an interesting thing to.
That you usually get the best deals when it's the trash, when there's most stuff left behind.
Okay.
We're always trying to solve problems for these people. So one of his problems is, I don't want to clean it up.
Yeah.
I don't want to take care. And like, I got it. I don't want to pay you $99,000
Exactly.
and clean up your junk.
Right, exactly.
So if you don't want to clean it up, but you want $99, I'll clean it up, but for 80 something.
Yeah.
And if that doesn't work for you, let somebody else clean it up for 90 something.
Yeah.
But I'm willing to clean it up for 80 something.
Gotcha.
The other thing I always do on these, on any flip, because I've gotten in trouble the last couple years, is what are my exit strategies? So we know we can flip it and sell it, but what if we can't sell it? Can we rent it?
Maybe.
Probably,
Yeah.
right, Renee? We could rent this. If we remodeled it, oh my gosh, it would rent great. For how much? I don't know. Can we Airbnb it? Maybe. Can you and your wife live in it? Hey, Jim Haddon's exit strategy when he taught me growing up, it said, like our 3rd or 4th is me or Keith Fells moving in it. Like if we can't sell it, one of us is moving in it.
Yeah.
I can't, my wife wouldn't live in here, so it's not
Mine
my
wouldn't
exit
either.
strategy. Right. Even if it was completely done up, she just wouldn't. So I always look at that like, what happens if I get stuck with it?
Yeah.
If I put all this work into it and then people won't buy it because they can't get a certain type of financing or they don't want it. But honestly, man, we're seeing, if you put this out at $220, $219.9, you might get a cash offer from these guys out here.
Get it, 'cause there's nothing else.
There's nothing else for sale. There's nothing on this big a lot. Look at these crepe myrtles. When they come in the next 90 days, like you get this lot cleaned up, it would be highly, highly appealing to someone. So I'm not against it. And also in a market like this where it's so competitive, we might just have to flip some trailers.